Julio, saludo. Soy Edwin Cortesero, estudiante de Ingeniería Industrial de la Universidad Nacional Abierta a Distancia y voy a realizar la tarea 4, Speaking, del curso de inglés A1. Esta es mi identificación. Empecemos. Hi, my name is Edwin Cortesero. I'm from Cartagena de Indias. My language is Spanish, and I have learned some English. I like to watch some sports like soccer, basketball, baseball, tennis, and the UFC on Saturday night in the TV. I like to work out every day too. I hate lies because when I find the truth, I could lose the trust of someone. In nowadays of COVID, I have a normal routine. For example, I wake up at 8 a.m., then I brush my teeth. Later, I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m., and when I finish, I do my homework. After lunch, I watch my cell phone and waste my time on social media. I take a nap for 30 minutes at 2:30 p.m. In the afternoon, sometimes I walk the dogs for 2 blocks and then I go back home. I work out at 5 p.m. with some objects and some activities like strength training, running, jump, or something like that. Before the dinner, I take a shower for second time. I take a dinner at 8 p.m. and spend time with my family in front of TV. My family go to the bed at 11 p.m. I always go to bed very late due to disorder in my schedule. I hope to change this for my health. Eso fue todo. Muchas gracias.